Oh, don't get close, Max. I'm gonna get close. Simba Dagi.
Oh my gosh.
I got.
Oh no.
Look, he's recording a video.
Because the wind is too strong.
So it doesn't. Big bang. Yeah, I heard it too, but I didn't even care. We got a chicken phone in the house upstairs.
Wow, it's so beautiful outside.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm scared. Let you go out. Oh! Do we have to sleep here like tonight? We might have to. Yes, we might have to. I'm just saying. Gosh. Oh!
Lightning?
That's scared me. Yeah, I saw lightning.
No, he saw. It's because he saw the. Oh no, that's where the light from.
I thought it did. Wait! Ma, is that hail?
I don't know, puppy. Stop yelling.
But that's not hail.
Don't stop yelling. It's really annoying.
Windstorm. That is.
For real, turn that thing off, Max.
Yeah, exactly. Look, he still has it on. Now we're gonna get hit now.
Oh my gosh.
Stop recording me.
Oh, look at Chica.
Stop recording me.
He took a video of me sleeping.
Beautiful decor. That's like North Carolina. Wee! That's like, it's like a giant hose. I remember terrible storm when Dad was at work
It's not even bad.
and a branch fell off. A branch. It's like a tiny twig. There's a storm.
She was like, Phil,
Yeah.
get out your room. The wind is really strong. And then she's
I'm recording.
come down here.
I'm recording.
Oh.
Eh.
It's only like this amount. Sorry, Nana. She's in the bathroom right now. She's in the bathroom right now.
Like his paws.
You can't see the one. You're done.
Yeah, it's raining.
Ya, está bien. Aquí no se ve tanto, pero allá en el...
Oh my gosh.
It is storming.